20 personal finance thumb rules. Rule number 13. As a percentage of your income, how much EMI you can have. We are living in the BNPL culture. That means book now and pay later. A modern man drives a mortgaged car with credit card petrol on a bond financed highway. So, having a cap on the EMI is very important. As a percentage of your income, you should not have more than 40% as your EMI. This 40% includes all the loan EMIs like personal loan, credit card loan, car loan, home loan. If your income is rupees 1 lakh, then you should not have more than 40,000 rupees as your EMI. When you don't have any loans, you are working for yourself and your family. When you have loans, then you are working for your lender and your banker. Please remember.